Can't record audio on WhatsApp on your iPhone? Having blank or no audio recording issues can happen due to microphone permission, network issues, or app glitches. In this video, I'll show you how to solve the problem of not being able to record on WhatsApp on your iPhone. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before moving on, make sure your Wi-Fi or internet connection is stable. Turn on and off airplane mode. Clean your iPhone microphone port with a soft brush. Now try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Check hardware issue. Open up the App Store, tap search icon, type check my device on the search bar, tap install icon, then tap open. After that, tap allow, don't allow, scroll down, now tap microphone test, tap on the screen, now tap on the record icon and try to record your voice. Then tap on the save icon to save your voice. Now tap on the play icon to check. If it plays your voice, then there is no problem with your hardware. But if it is not working, that means there's a hardware issue. Solution 2. Check microphone permissions. Open up the settings app, then scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on the privacy and security option. Now scroll down again. After that, type on microphone. Make sure to toggle on the WhatsApp here. Solution 3. Clear WhatsApp cache. Open up settings, then tap general. Next, tap iPhone storage. Now scroll down and find the WhatsApp app. If you can't find the WhatsApp app here, tap on show all. Next, tap on WhatsApp. Then tap offload and again tap offload. After that, tap reinstall. Now go back to the WhatsApp app and try again. If you still have the same issue, then follow the next solution. Solution 4. Update your WhatsApp app. Go to the App Store, tap on the search icon from below, type WhatsApp, now find the WhatsApp Messenger and tap on it. If you find any updates available for WhatsApp Messenger, then update the app. Hope your problem is now fixed. And if this video helped you out, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and solutions. And if you have any kind of questions or suggestions for future videos, drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.